Oh!
Hey, not yet. Just get your water balloons. Logan, get your water balloons. Yours is the blue.
Logan, can you see this? Logan, look. Logan, look.
I see them.
No, over here, look.
Over where?
You got one right there? Right, that red bucket right there. Blindy boy.
Well, what's the blue for?
Oh, is there too many water balloons? Is there too many water balloons for you?
Oh!
Or is
Those
the
water balloons, if you want them, you got to get the rain. I get 2 guns.
only use one, Daddy. Hey, Logan, should we be on the
How
same
about you
side?
start using those water balloons?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you going to use those water balloons?
What's wrong? I have an idea, Daddy. The blue ones can be yours.
Oh.
Come on!
The blue ones can be yours.
You want me to use the blue ones? Because you want me to have to go to the water.
No, I was just saying because I already got that one.
It doesn't look like you're doing anything.
Yeah, I'm using them. Stop it.
Hey, I said there's no rules. Don't throw them at each other's head because you might hit Logan in the eye.
Oh, don't spray me in the eye either.
Oh, don't whine. Grandma's taping you. How come you don't want any water balloons?
Oh, here he comes.
Oh, that one's yours.
Well, those are supposed to be for you, so you have to get in the water.
Look, there's some under the tree.
There's no no.
I'm trying to get Daddy. I don't like it when 2 people are attacking me at a time. Stop it!
Hey, everybody attack Lucas because he doesn't like it.
Come on, quit hiding on the patio.
Yeah, come on, Lucas. Lucas, stop crying. Look at Logan's eye, and he's playing. What? It's just water, dude. You get yourself wet every day. There's no water balloons back there. I'm gonna bring a bucket and chase you. Grab any of them. There's no rules. There's no rules that those are Logan's.
Lucas, there's some over here.
There's water balloons everywhere, dude. Don't strike Grandma because she's got the Grandma doesn't want to get wet.
I didn't sign on to this.
Well, let's put the gun down and use the water balloons. That's why there's water balloons everywhere. Hey Lucas, if you'd spend more time throwing water balloons and less complaining, we'd be so soaked as you are.
Throw it now. Throw it at Daddy. Now.
What are you waiting for?
Yeah.
Where's my body?
Oh, good.
See? Ha! How back?
Oh,
What happened? You don't have to take the whole thing.
oh.
It's not you want to take part of it. I got 3, dude.
Look at Lucas. Oh,
That's the best thing. There's one. Hey, you can get these, but you got to get wet if you want to get them. I said there was no rules, dude, except for the head, and you can't move the sprinkler. And
No.
Don't throw them at Grandma. Grandma doesn't agree to this, and Grandma's got a camera in her hand.
Get Daddy. Come on.
Oh, we gotta gang up on this.
Yeah, the two of you need to gang up on Daddy.